I never really thought I was gonna like run for elected office. It wasn't necessarily like a dream of mine that I had. I was always interested in politics, but like really in an international sense. You know that I went to school for international politics in college. But after kind of being in Uganda to do some not-for-profit work and seeing how some of the work I was doing was like it's like what some people would consider volunteerism, and I felt really wrong in having participated in that kind of work where there was so much money invested in bringing these American students over to like a country like Uganda, and instead of using those resources to really invest in the communities that are there and have them really center themselves as the problem solvers for their community. That's where I saw the disconnect, and I really wanted to go home and go to Peekskill and get involved locally, because I felt like Peekskill was the city that raised me. It's so much a part of me, and I felt like I needed to give back. And I guess I thought I wanted to be overseas to kind of solve other people's problems, when really I should be using kind of my expertise, my lived experience to go in and help the community that I know the best. I see like my parents and everyone. Like I feel like I'm fighting for my parents, like seeing how much they struggled, like how hard they, like no one should have to work. My dad worked like 18-hour days the first like several years of my life, right? I would go to bed without seeing him come home. I would be lucky if I woke up early enough to see him in the morning. And then I get to spend time with him on the weekends. And my mom, I mean, like, it wasn't her dream to clean houses, right? You know, it wasn't her dream to become a janitor at the Catholic school just so we can make tuition. I want people to be able to follow their dreams and to live fulfilling lives, right? And to live in a society where they don't have to worry about the kind of healthcare plans they have. Like if their job has good benefits and they stay in a really bad working conditions because they have good healthcare and they have to take care of their kids. I want people to be able to have enough money to sustain themselves and not have to worry about like working every waking extra hour on the weekend instead of spending that time with family. I love AOC. I think we should draft her for the Senate and have her primary Chuck Schumer. So definitely AOC for U.S. Senate.